Good morning once again. So, today's lesson we're going to continue with yesterday's lesson, because today what we're going to do is we're going to plot now the straight line graph, okay, from the coordinates that we have found yesterday. In fact, we're going to cover learning outcome 3.30, which is I can plot the graph of a linear function from a table of values. Okay, of course, once we have found the coordinates using the table of values, we can plot and join the straight line graph. It is pretty straightforward then, because we know how to plot points. Okay, this is an important tip. I have also made reference to it yesterday in yesterday's video, but it is very important to read it out for you again. So the line should pass from all the plotted points. Okay, if not, check your working and your plotting. This is very important. So today's exercise, what we're going to do is that we're going to use yesterday's homework, okay, to plot the straight line graphs. So yesterday I have gave you to work out from page 7, question A, B, C, I have done it myself, and D and E. And what I want you to do is to plot these straight line graphs with the coordinates that you have wrote. But before that, I want you to show you an example of how to plot this graph, okay? Yesterday, I have shown you how to fill in this table on the computer, and we're going to plot it as well on the PowerPoint presentation. The equation is y is equal to 2x plus 5. So we have this graph paper here, okay, and we need to plot the points on it. We have already completed the table of values, okay, and these are the coordinates, okay, which are also written here: minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 7, and 2, 9. And we need to plot these on this graph. So minus 2, 1. So minus 2, 1. We have the first point here, okay. Second point, minus 1, 3. So minus 1, 3, which is over here. Next point is 0, 5, which is over here. 1, 7, and 2, 9, which is over there. So we have these 5 points plotted, okay. Now what we have to do is draw a line through these points, okay. The line should pass from every point, okay. That is the line, okay, and of course you have to check that all points fit on the line and then label the line. Just write the equation of the line, which is y is equal to 2x plus 5 in this case, okay. Now yesterday I have worked out this table for you, okay, and we have these coordinates, and I'm going to plot it for you here, okay. So this graph paper on page 9 is for question A, okay. So these corresponds to the questions that you did yesterday. So the line here is y is equal to x minus 2. On page 7 you have the same equation, y is equal to x minus 2, and you have found the coordinates. You have the coordinates here. So what you have to do is from these coordinates you're going to plot them here, okay. I'm going to work out question C, so I'm going to find the equation of question C, which is on page 10, this one, okay. Now as you can see here, we are not always given the numbers on the x-axis and the y-axis, okay. It's not a problem at all. We just need to write them down. It's important to use always a pencil when writing on a graph, okay. And to write the numbers on the x-axis, we always write them beneath the line. And we don't write them very big, just small enough and close to the x-axis as possible. We also do some small marks, some line, okay, like this. I don't know if you can see them, but just a small line, okay? So here we have 1, 2, and 3, okay? Look how small I'm going to, I'm writing them, okay? Don't write them big, because you won't manage. So this one is -1, -2, and -3. I'm going to do the same on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I can see from the table of values, okay, that on the x, I want the range from -2 to 2. So what I'm going to use is from here, from -2 to 2. And on the y, I'm going to use the largest number on the y is 10, while the smallest one is -6. So I need 10 on the y-axis and -6, okay? So it's important to write them all down. On the y-axis, okay, we write the numbers on the left of the line, okay, of the x-axis, not on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to do the same here. We need -6. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And here it is 0, where they intersect. So let's start and plotting the points. So the first point is -2, 10. So I'm going to find -2, which is here, and 10 on the y-axis. So -2, 10, right here. -2, 10. The next point is -1, 6. -1, 6. So -1, 6, which is here. Next point is 0, 2. So 0, 2. Next point is 1, -2. So 1, -2. And 2, -6. So 2, -6, which is here. All we need to do now is to join the points to form a line. So we use a ruler and join the points. Okay? And that is the line y is equal to -4x plus 2. Okay, so that's how we plot a straight line graph. Of course, it is very easy when we have the coordinates, okay? We just need to plot the points. So as for homework, you're going to do from page 9. From page 9, you have A, B, and as I told you, you're going to use yesterday's homework, okay? To use the coordinates. So A and B, okay? And then C, I mean, I have done it for you, okay? But you have to do it as well. Question 10, page 10, sorry. Page 11, you have question D and E, okay? In question E, you need to write down the numbers yourself, as I did in the example, okay? And that's it for today. Bye for now.